One issue I see a lot of people complaining about is when they've done a really grand design for a client or a business, like they've built out the website and they did everything the client wanted, but then they never hear from the client again. So they've given their all to this website, right? They've done an amazing, amazing job. But then they find out later on that maybe the client wanted to make some changes, or maybe they were going to create a brand new website, or maybe they had a friend or whatever, and they went to a completely different web designer. And because you built their website, you're thinking, but I did everything you wanted. So what's the problem? Why are you not coming back to me? And usually it's because you were there at the time to satisfy their needs, but now you're no longer there. So they've kind of forgotten about you. You might go, well, no, how can they forget about me? Because their current website is still running. What you have to remember is that you didn't maintain the relationship or the partnership with them. You were just someone who was there when they needed their website built, but you never gave them further advice about social media, about getting found, video marketing, maybe their privacy policy, like Termageddon, things like that, maybe web accessibility, maybe thinking about social media or AI or something that could actually help them. Maybe their keywords aren't doing too good. Maybe Google Business, AEO, answer engine optimization, all these little things. So you were there when they least expected. Because when you show up and you just give them advice, and seriously, it doesn't have to be major, major advice. It could be just something about how to help them do well in their business. It's not even related to the website. It could just be like, I've heard about XYZ. I've heard about using Canva more. I've heard about using this social media strategy, blah, 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 something. Or I've heard about this business commerce. You should go and have a look at it. When you show up and you stay in their mind, they will remember you when they need extra work. Maybe they do now want to get a new website done, or maybe their friend needs a website. So stop thinking that the client didn't respect me or the client doesn't understand all the hard effort I put in. It's because they forgot about you. You're not memorable even. So what you need to do is just start emailing them every now and again, even just to say, how are you doing? You don't have to say, hey, do you need any extra work from me? Because that feels like, pushy salesman and you're desperate for work. But just touching base with them, wish them a Merry Christmas, ask them how they're doing. I mean, you must know more about them, right? You must have had conversations with them about maybe their family or where they live or maybe even what car they drive, I don't know, or even something about their business. But if you can start to form that relationship with them, they won't forget about you and you can hopefully win more work.